So I decided to repair this PVC crossover tube here with some self-sealing silicone tape. The hose had cracked right at the edge here, and I was afraid to use it without either replacing it or repairing it. And so I opted to use this this tape here. This is self-fusing silicone tape, and it's very stretchable and it seals to itself once you get it started. So I just did a few wraps, maybe 5 wraps around on each one of these, and to finish it off I put a tie wrap on there just to prevent it from unraveling, but it's probably isn't necessary, but I just like to make sure that that's not going to come undone because I don't want to have to go back in there. And that's my repair. I use the self-fusing silicone tape. It's can withstand high temperature and it seals very well, and I use it for a lot of applications, and this happens to be one I thought of that would work great in this case. To repair that tube, it's not under a lot of pressure. It's just mostly a vacuum, big vacuum line, and I just wanted to seal it and make sure it doesn't leak. I also found this roll of this is self-fusing silicone tape, and this is clear, but it's basically the same thing. It stretches and self-fuses to itself once you remove the protective backing there. And it's very stretchable and very good to work with. This is great stuff to have around.